queen, queen. Q is for quilt, quilt. Q is for quiz, quiz. Q is for quiet, quiet. Q is for quack, quack. Q is for quarter, quarter. Q is for quick, quick. Q is for quest, quest. Q is for quirky, let's learn and play. So many Q words to say today. Sound them out, make them clear. Learning with Q brings lots of cheer. Q is for quilt, quilt. Q is for Q, Q. Q is for quick, quick. Q is for quartz, quartz. Q is for quote, quote. Q is for quiver, quiver. Q is for quartz, quartz. Q is for quinoa, quinoa. Q is for quality, quality. Q is for quench, quench. Q is for question, question. Q is for quince, quince. Q is for quickly, quickly. Q is for quack, quack. Q is for quasar, quasar. Q is for quartet, quartet. Q is for quirky, come sing along. Let's explore the alphabet with this song. Every word we learn and grow. Q is a letter that helps us know.